Alright, so today we're looking at another older Craftsman garden tractor. This one is the Die-Hard GT with the 22.5 horsepower V-twin Kohler command engine. Let's take a look at that right here. Alright, there she be in all her glory. This thing actually runs really well. There is the model number of the engine. Take a look at the model number of the lawn tractor itself. Oh, excuse me. I said the L word. It is a garden tractor, not a lawn tractor. All right, here we are. Looking like this is 1995. So I can tell it's got an aftermarket seat on it. And on the back of this one, we've got a 3-point hitch. So this garden tractor did come with a 50-inch mower deck, which is missing right now. I bought it as is, so I'm probably never going to get a deck for it. But the way you raise and lower the deck was by this lever, and that is the same lever that raises and lowers the 3-point hitch. So tires on this thing are big and beefy. We're looking at 24 by 12 by 12. Even the front tires are pretty good size. Where are we looking there? I'm trying to see what that is. 16 by 7.5 by 8 maybe. Here's the other side of the engine. So the other thing about this tractor, it is not hydrostatic. It actually has 6 gears. It's got a high and low range, so you would move this lever to go into high or low. Oops, sorry about my finger there. And so you've got 1, 2, and 3 in low gear, and 4, 5, and 6 in high gear, as well as reverse. So on the dashboard, we've got electric PTO, which of course isn't going to be used because there's no mower deck. But anyway, so alright, so there we go. One more vintage garden tractor to add to the collection. Thanks for watching.